Hi guys, we are in Chinatown today. Look behind us. This is how the street looks. We are going to buy shoes for me, so we're gonna look for that shop. Look at all this stuffed toys here. We got one of these. Stitch. Look at this guy. These are all anime characters. I like this. Don't touch. How will I see it? We had some momos at one Chinese restaurant, and we got a little kitty that waves with one hand. And now we are going to a shop. So that shop didn't have shoes there. They just had gift stuff. Say hi, AJ. Ni hao. I want to buy plants from here, but AJ is not letting me buy. See, he's pulling me away. I like all the architecture here. It's like really Chinese look. Look at the clouds. It's pretty today. Wow, look at these vases. So this side, if you guys come to Chicago, this side mostly have restaurants and food and gift shops. Not like New York. New York had all clothes and all that stuff, but Ajay's saying there are other sides to Chinatown here where we might find shoes and clothes and stuff. So let's see. So now we turned right from that gate, and this is how it looks. These are also Chinese shops. This is some technology shop. It's closed. Then there are some more restaurants, herbal tea and stuff. This is International Bank here. Must be Chinese International Bank, which is closed today. And this is, yeah, tea shop, herbal tea shop. Want to get massage? I don't know. This is the other side of Chinatown. Yeah, I was not trusting Ajay because it looked abandoned from the front. But this is quite interesting here. Lots of gift shops here. Gift shops and restaurants in this area also. So this is the starting point. There's a restaurant here. Then some grocery shop. Liquor store. Veggie house. This is a salon. All the restaurants and stuff. Lots of restaurants in Chinatown. So if you're looking to eat something Chinese, definitely come here in Chicago. This is some area that we can climb up. This side also have lots of shops like nail salons and some other stuff. See, this is the nail salon. No, that's fine. I already have mine for now. This is the view from top. Over here. This is a gacha place. All the games are here. We will play this one, I guess. But these are not cute. I want cute ones. Let's see the first one. We just arrived at Little India in Chicago. Look at all this. There's one Punjabi shop there. We are now going to this place called Thali because it just sounds interesting. So we're gonna have food there, and there's one pan shop right next to it. So let's see. And if any of you guys are planning to come to Chicago and want to buy anything Indian, this is the place you'll get everything. This is the thali, and it is quite big. I think we both are going to share it because we're not that hungry, but we are a little hungry. So guys, we had an amazing meal at Thali, which I've documented in the video for you guys. So if you guys come to Chicago and visit Little India, definitely go there. It's amazing, authentic Indian food. And currently we are at the station. It's called Loyola, if you can see. And after this we are going to Millennial Park. There's some jazz music playing right at the corner of the street. We are on the higher level. So anyways, let's go to Millennial Park. So tell us, Ajay, what did we do? Okay, can you make a normal face, please? You look funny. We are at the Millennial Park. Sorry if the video quality is not good because lighting is low now. Oh wow, no. You want to go there? Okay. That's the famous Millennial Park statue there. So we're gonna go there. Okay. Food court and stuff over here. And this is the famous Tanda. Yeah, ages has been calling it Tanda, but it's actually a beautiful sculpture or whatever masterpiece created by an Indian artist, if I'm not wrong, because that's what I recall from my search. And let's click pictures here. Look, this is how it looks. Let's go inside, Ajay. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Look at the beautiful view. It's glorious. Look what God has made. I love this piece. And this is what's going on here. There's some food court area. This is the view from far.